Listen, I have some tea for you, but since it's nighttime, we're gonna have something stronger. And I am going to pour myself a glass because we are celebrating. All I know is that I had to come on and talk to you guys to give you an update. If you're thinking of coming to Jamaica, you're gonna want to come right about now. I am so happy to announce the news that the Prime Minister didn't even finish his address to the nation. I think they're having a press meeting or some meeting with the House of Representatives, and they are saying all the new things that we want to hear. And I guess Jamaica has been on their best behavior because we got some new COVID measures, we got some new curfew hours, and we are really celebrating today and for the rest of November and early December. Lord, it tastes good when you're celebrating. Like, guys, let me put this down because I need two hands to gesticulate the awesomeness that is this update that our Prime Minister gave us. Okay, so first I'm going to talk about the curfew hours because I know a lot of you want to know that as at October 29th, which is this weekend, I think Friday, curfew hours are going to change. It will be from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. daily. So from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Like, we have been having no movement days for like a really long time, to the point where we just say, you know, Sunday is not even a day. But now we can count it, and we have curfew. I've never been so happy to say we still have curfew, but we have curfew hours from 8 p.m. You know how much you can do with that? Like, you don't even understand. I feel like the country not going to be good again. I'm just like, yes, party time. I'm joking. I'm not gonna do anything. But you know, for those who love to party, them can go out and have fun responsibly. And for the tourists that come to Jamaica, they can come down and enjoy the excursions, or you know, if you're traveling, you can do so at your own leisure and not try to break your neck to try and get back to your hotel before curfew, which was kind of like 6 o'clock on a Saturday, and then there was no movement on Sunday. So on Sundays, you can actually do more with your time than be a bum watching Netflix forever and ever and amen. To talk about is the state of the COVID cases. On average, you know, you have 116 cases daily, and it's kind of fluctuating. We have like a 12% to 16% positivity rate for the past month and a half. Let me just put the numbers of how many COVID cases. So we have these many cases, these many deaths, and these many recoveries. We are trying to put all the measures in place to ensure that the cases don't spike anymore. I mean, it has been coming from like 700 and odd cases daily to 100 and something. So all the measures put in place by the government has been effective, and we are now here to say that Jamaica did good. Just hopefully we don't go back into lockdown, but Jamaica did good. So next we have the state of the vaccines. So the vaccine uptake is not as intended or not as effective because, you know, persons are still anti-vaxxers. You know what, I'm not even going to touch on that, but I'll just talk about the statistics. All right, we are at a 13% uptake right now, where we have 13% of Jamaicans vaccinated as at October 25, and we have, let me quote the numbers, we have 896,637 doses administered, of which 362 and more persons are fully vaccinated. And they are still, as in they meaning the government, they're still trying to implement different programs, the incentive programs, house to house vaccines, vaccine tours, all sorts of stuff, vaccination, sensitization sessions. They are trying everything to get people to get vaccinated so that the resources in the hospitals can free up and we can prevent more deaths, because like the death rate is, can't believe that's my glasses, the death rate is quite high on the COVID scale, because we did not anticipate this happening. But with the spike, you know, yeah, it's very unfortunate. Next, we have the state of the tourism. I'm going to quote what the Minister of Tourism said. He said, since COVID was reported, we have lost over 2.7 billion US dollars in profit. We have also lost 2 million plus visitors, as well as 130,000 jobs. The economy basically contracted by 10 to 12%, and since or in the last 12 months the government has recovered 1.1 million, what is that, 1.1 million arrivals and 1.5 billion in profit, as well as 60,000 jobs. So we're basically steadily recovering since our opening in June 2020, because we reopened the borders in June, and since luckily we have not been closing it back, because we said, you know, resilience. Well, not my question, but it's been floating around if the vaccine will be mandated. We are not sure, to be honest. I mean, they are just trying their best to sensitize the vaccine and get as many persons on board. I am not sure if it's going to be mandated. There are some private sector companies who are mandating the vaccine, and in order for you to keep your job or get hired at their company, you have to take the vaccine, or you have to show that you're fully vaccinated. The government as a whole has not stipulated that, and I don't think they might, but we don't know yet. We just have to hope and pray that they know what they're doing. But I'll leave it at that. Also, I wanted to give you an update. When I said back in the previous video or the videos before this that UK is not accepting Jamaicans into the country because we are not seen as fully vaccinated. Well, they updated their list of territories and Jamaica is one of them, and so we can go freely to the UK. End of story. Problema is that the US of A is mandating vaccines, so you can't come into the people in country without being fully vaccinated. When it rains, it pours. I don't know if people are going to say, hey, I'm not going to the US, I am not stepping foot there, I don't care. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. That's all I have to say. So I'm adding this just as a little tidbit. Quarantine in Jamaica once you get to Jamaica is still mandatory for fully vaccinated and unvaccinated persons. You can check my before videos to make sure that you have all the stuff that you need to know, but it hasn't changed. It has really been just the same throughout for the past couple of months. And I just wanted to add as well, what do you need to come to Jamaica? So you need the travel authorization form approval, you need a negative COVID test. This is a negative PCR or negative antigen test, and well, I can't say you need to be fully vaccinated, but we encourage you to be vaccinated because, you know, it helps. Not saying that you're going to catch COVID, because tourists and the positivity rate of COVID being contracted in Jamaica is like less than 1%, which is amazing. So let's brag. Let's brag right now. And I don't know what else I have to say, but it's around you being safe and it being okay for you to travel to Jamaica and enjoy yourself down in our little beautiful island, and then go back up to your country of residence and have all the memories ready to post. Okay, so guys, I think that is all I have for you today. It was really a quick video. Hopefully it is under 10 minutes, and if it's not, well, I am so sorry. To my new persons who are seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Lexi. Nice to meet you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found some kind of insight in this video. And if you are not new and you're an OG subscriber, welcome back, guys. I am so excited for you to see another video, so stay tuned for that. Until next time, bye.